Hello viewers, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. So beloved, today I have come to share with you a very good interesting topic. In today's video, I will be discussing with you or telling you another deep spiritual work on how to stone your enemies to death spiritually. Enemies are not something that one should joke with. Enemies are people who are always against your success. Enemies are those who doesn't want you to live long. Enemies are those who don't want you to enjoy your marriage peacefully. Enemies of those who always wishes you evil, wishes you untimely death, setbacks, disaster. The Bible said, suffer not them to live. These are the people that we are going to be stolen to death today by the special grace of God. So if you have 100 enemy, 150, 200, 80, 20, 50. Watch this video to the end because this particular spiritual assignment is going to take care of that by the special grace of God. And also, I want to remind you that if you are doing this particular spiritual assignment and you don't have faith that what you are doing is going to work for you, you are doing nothing. You are absolutely wasting your time, your energy. So if you don't have faith that what you're doing will work, then you better not try it. And secondly, if your hands are not clean and you are embarking on this journey, it is going to be a backfiring method for you. But before I go into the beautiful teaching, I want to use this wonderful opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for choosing to watch this channel over and over again. Thank you to my newest subscribers for stopping by. May God Almighty bless you. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, but you always watch these videos, always watch this channel, please kindly hit that red button to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload new video, you will get notification. Also remember to like this video before you go out. What am I talking about? How to stone your enemies to death without missing. You don't pity your enemy. I always keep on telling people this. You don't pity enemy because the moment you pity them and you allow them into your life, they are going to ruin your life. They are going to destroy your life. They are going to destroy every good thing that God has given to you, one after the other. Now, there are two types of enemies on this earth. There are those ones that are pronounced, the ones that are visible, and the ones that are not visible. The most dangerous ones are the ones that are not visible. They will be laughing with you, and inside their mouth, their mind, they are having a very big grudges, big evil thinking on how to eliminate you, on how to stop your blessing, on how to make you to cry for the rest of your life, on how to cause sleepless nights, on how to make you never to become someone or somebody or that person that God ordained you to become. These are the people that we are going to be dealing with by the special grace of God. So, if you're not the kind of fighting enemy and you are here, you don't like what I'm teaching, please you can move down to other channels because here we teach you the way it is. Operation No Mercy. Suffer not the wench to live. They don't deserve your mercy because tomorrow, eventually they repented, they'll go to heaven. And you, who knows? By the time they cause the deed to you, maybe you have not fully repented. And then you go to hellfire, God forbid. It's not our portion. You have to do this assignment. So get this ingredient for me. Number one ingredient today in our list is going to be our oil. This is a spiritual oil called Ujuku. This oil, the seed that produces this oil is different from normal red oil that you use in cooking your food. Get original one. If you want this particular assignment to work for you, everything I'm going to be mentioning now, get it original. Get Ojuku red oil. It's costly, but make sure that you buy original one. Get Ojuku red oil. That is number one. Number two, get me your rope. Get white rope. White rope. Number three, get me original thunderstone. Get me this thunderstone stone alone is another strong back to sender. Yes, it's another. If you don't know about thunderstone, I am going to be telling you, or if you have one but you don't know how to make use of it, watch this to the end because this is one of the recipe on how you can use thunderstone to stone your enemies to death. When I mean death, stone your enemies to death using thunderstone. Get this thunderstone. Now, how will you compile this thing? How will you make use of all these things? You have to open your red Ojuku red oil. Take a little from it with this your hand. Now, rub it at the head of the thunderstone and also at the bottom. After rubbing it, use your rope. Huh? Use this rope to tie what? To tie the body of this thunderstone thoroughly. Make sure that the rope covers this thunderstone very, very well. And after that, now I want you to pick a psalm, Psalm 35. Now read it 3 times on this stone. You keep the stone like this, then you begin to read your Psalm 35 3 times on this stone. After reading it, now begin to declare all the things that you have read out on that Psalm 35 on this stone. Begin to declare it on this particular stone. And after you have done your declaration, now begin your own personal declaration. How you want this work to work for you. How many days you want it to destroy your enemy. How many months, how many years. If you want it to be 3 months of destruction of your enemy, that is how it's going to be. If you want it to 1 week, if you want it 2 weeks, but make sure that all your requests, you're having effect on it. And do not do this to an innocent people who has not harmed you, people who their hands are clean. And besides, you are not going to be mentioning name. Just generalize it for you to be in a safer side. Because at times we assume our enemy, whereas those people that we assume that are our enemies are not our enemy. It's people that you never expected. These are the people that are your real enemy. So you don't assume. All right, you don't assume enemy. All right. So after reading it, guys, carry this stone like this. When you carry it, go straight to your toilet, pit toilet, or anywhere you know that people always shit. Go and drop it inside somebody's shit, not your own shit, please. Do not drop it on your own shit. You can drop it inside the bush where people normally shit, or if you see fresh shit or fresh poo, just drop it there. And now say like this, that as you are dropping this shit, this thing, this person, you are dropping, now it has become a person spiritually. That is how you are dropping that person inside the mess the rest of his or her life. That all his or her life will become like this smell, that like this shit. As this shit is rotting, as this pool is getting rotten, that is how the person's life will begin to rotten with that solution. Now, let me tell you the spiritual benefit of this. It is going to make your enemies to be in a sick bed. Mhm. That sick bed that they plan on your head, return it back to them. If you have one already that you are suffering from and you know fully that your hands are clean, this is the high time you do this. Or you have somebody who are owing you, they don't want to pay. They are proving stubborn because at times, most people that owe, they don't want to pay. He said they will be going from one native doctor to another just to kill that person. If you have noticed this and you borrow somebody money, do this. by fire, by force, the kind of illness, spiritual illness that will befall on that person will be forced. Anywhere the person go, they will tell him or her, go and settle your debts. I don't know if you're getting me. Go and settle your debts. So if you have one, carry this assignment and trust me, believe God, it is going to be done and you will have your rests. All right. So guys, this is just the end of this video. And if you are asking a question, maybe where you're watching me from, you don't see all those things around you, we ship this particular oil anywhere in the world. Original Ojuku red oil. Do not use ordinary palm oil. We also sell thunderstone. Original thunderstone. So don't say because I don't have it, I cannot do it. Let me tell you, for someone to become your enemy, that person must have gone far in terms of spirituality. Like it must have gone far to different places. So that is how you too have to be deep whenever you are dealing with them. You don't deal with them with just smell salts. No. Mm-mm. You don't deal with them with just um mel water, normal water. No. You have to go extra mile, which is this. There's no extra mile I'm talking about than this. I don't know if you're getting me. So, guys, that's it. Just the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. Please, after watching this video, like this video, share this video, leave your comment on the comment section. And if you need to order for these products, my number is 090 5982 5779 090 5982 5779. I am active on WhatsApp. Chats only on WhatsApp. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next episode. Have a lovely afternoon. Bye.